logging monthly operations data for a TTB filing in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how production activity pulls in automatically, how to add a missing entry, and how to mark a period ready. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Compliance, Monthly Operations from your dashboard. Before you can generate a brewer's report of operations, I need your production activity for the month. That's what this screen is for. Select the month at the top. Most of the entries are already pulled in automatically from your batches and packaging runs, production volume, transfers, and losses. Scroll through and review each line against what actually happened on the floor. If something's missing, say a manual adjustment that didn't come through a normal batch record, add it here directly so the numbers match the month exactly. Once everything matches, click Save. Go back to TTB filing and you'll see that period marked data ready. Skip this step and you're filing a federal report on incomplete numbers.